Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sally. Today I'm going to be showing us how to make a tote bag. It's so simple to make and so straightforward. So if this is what you want to learn in this video, you probably want to stay to the end. And if you're just joining us or you're just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Now let's dive into it. For this project, we are going to be needing just few things. The first thing we are going to be needing is your fabric. For my own fabric, I'm using a jean material, but for your own fabric you can use any type of material that you want, but make sure it's not a stretchy material and it is thick, because for a tote bag we want to use a thick material and not a soft material for a tote bag. So for mine, I'm going to be using this. You can use chinos, you can use thick crepe, you can use different type of material. You can use flowery material that is thick for your own tote bag. So the next thing you are going to be needing for this is your thread. You're going to be needing your thread for sewing it together, and then you are going to be needing your scissors for cutting your fabrics, and you're going to be needing your tape rule for measuring your fabric before cutting it, and then you're going to be needing your sewing machine. Of course, you're going to be needing that too. So if this is what you want to learn in this video, probably want to watch to the end, because I'm going to be showing you the easiest way you can go about it. So let's dive into it. Grab your sewing kit and let's start sewing.
For this front design, what I use is just my sewing machine. I just draw out the pattern and then I run my sewing machine through it. So I made my own with love, and that's how I got the front pattern. I forgot to make the video, so I just have to explain how I got the love pattern at the front. So let's dive into it. For the sake of this video, we are going to be needing 1 yard of fabric. To make your tote bag, you're going to be needing 1 yard of fabric. You might not finish it, but you need 1 yard of fabric. So for the body of this bag, I use 16 inches for my width and my length is 20 inches. If you want yours to be bigger, just add more to the inches and it's going to be bigger. And for my straps, I'm using 20 inches for my strap. So I cut my strap in 2 pieces, and then I cut out a facing for my strap. So after joining my strap, I'm going to be using the facing to turn it inside out, so that the finishing is going to be neat and well laid. So let's get to it. To get where to put your strap, where to place your strap in your bag, for mine I'm using this technique. I'm folding my body into 4, just as you can see in the video, and then I notch the middle. So I'm going to be placing my strap on that place that I notch. I'm going to be placing my strap over there, and then I'm pinning it down so that it won't shift or it's not going to move away. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I'll do that for the other side too. I just want to redo it so that you can get what I did. You fold your body into 2, that's the back. You fold it into 4 and then you notch it. It is exactly where you notch that you're going to be placing your strap. Use pin to make it stay, so that when you are sewing it, it's not going to shift or it's not going to bend. And that's it. Just watch the way I do it and follow that step. You are going to get it. Make sure you pin down your strap to avoid it shifting or removing. Then you place your facing over it. You sew it down, because that's what we're going to be turning inside out. So we're going to go and do that on the sewing machine now, and I'm going to show you the outcome soon. This is the outcome. Can you see how neat it's looking? Can you see it? For the sake of this video, I'm actually using white thread just to give it that design look. So now we're going to be placing the right side facing each other and then we are going to be sewing it round, just like that. We're going to be sewing it round, and then we're going to be using our scissors to knit it inside. This is the final look. As you can see, it's looking all beautiful and I love it so much. Make sure you make yours, and then give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell so that you are not going to be missing any of our video. Thank you so much for joining me on this sewing project of mine. I love you. See you next time. Bye.